Today we're looking at part number TPU 23411. This is the 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 passenger side hydraulic trailer brake assembly with the dual plunger design. What that means is this plunger right here, it will work your brakes in both forward and reverse. It's a self-adjusting brake assembly, so you don't have to mess with it, which is real nice. It has the 7-bolt flange on it, so that means it works with Dexter axles, Carter axles, and Lippert axles. 3 3/8 inch shoe on it, 12 1/4 wide, and it is ready to go. It also has the dust shield on the back. Most Dexter products don't come with the dust shield, but the Carter products do, so that's always nice. I don't know why they sell them separate, but anyway, you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com. We have a heck of a deal going on right now on them, or you can give us a call at 844-898-8687, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks.